I'm Valerie Parhill, and for almost 30 years, I've had the unofficial title of QVC Resident Decorator. And what that means is I've had the joy of helping my QVC family decorate their homes. And we've had a lot of fun together doing just that.
Along about April.
So whether you're dressing your table,
I want to be able to recreate these things.
when I first decorated my first apartment, it looked like my mother, my sweet, precious mother, who actually is the inspiration behind so much of what I do, as that she created this wonderful home and dressed a wonderful home for my dad and my brothers. But my apartment didn't reflect me until later, as I grew into what was my own personal style. And that's where I come back to. Surround yourself with what you love, and your home will be a unique reflection of you.